pigeons are hungry. Drag the seeds from the sack to the feeder and the water to the water trough to feed them. You're doing really great. Don't stop. There are carrier pigeons on our farm. Let's send a letter via pigeon mail. Now drag the pigeon with a mailing tube onto the perch. Drag the elements from the side menu to write and send a letter. You're doing really great. Ready. The pigeons need more space in our farm. Drag the parts from the side menu to make new cages for them. Hooray! You're doing really great. Ready. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work.